So welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video because I'm going to be doing a really neat tutorial for you guys, trying out a new product as well. That's why my face looks a little bit wonky and a little bit pale, but you know, it's because we're trying out a new product. So I just have my base foundation on, no eyeshadow and no brows. That's why it looks weird. So if you're excited to see what we're going to be trying out and doing today, but you kind of already know what it is because it's in the title, but please be sure to go ahead and like this video and don't forget to subscribe down below because we're on our way to 1,500 by Christmas. That's my goal, and we are going to reach that goal. So go ahead and subscribe if you've not already, and yeah, let's just get into the video, guys. Okay, y'all, so we are going to be trying out the new Benefit Brow Contour Pro Pencil, and I'm so excited. I have not been able to try this out, and I've had it for like 2 weeks now. So, yeah, this thing I've heard really good results. I've heard really good feedback about. I got it in the shade Brown Black Light. So let's just go ahead and open up here. So I have seen like so many cool things about this, how it's like one of those old-fashioned clicky pencils with like all the colors up here. So we have definer, highlighter, lighter shade, and deeper shade. So I've never been one to like really like carve out my brows with like concealer or anything. The lighter shade of the two it's the lighter shade, and then it has the deeper shade. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with that because I normally don't like I said, like carve out my brows with concealer or anything. I usually just use a dark pencil and just like fill them in. So I'm just gonna go with that and see how this does. The only thing I don't like about this is it doesn't have a spoolie. I know I've heard a lot of complaints about that. And it's really weird to get used to the pencil being so like thick because I use the Benefit, the other pencil, and it's so thin and easy to like hang on to. I do have to say that this lighter shade is pretty dark, like the dark shade I think might just be like real dark. So I'm just going to stick with this light shade. I do really like the product, you know, I am going to use it, but I do feel like for the price that I would just stick to the, I don't have it out. I would just stick to the normal Benefit Gimme Brow Pencil. I think it's a little bit less expensive than this. Anyways, moving on, we are going to be doing something really fun today. I'm going to be doing another smoky eye with the Pretty Vulgar, the Nightingale palette. And so basically, I'm also going to be doing a bat wing eye tutorial for Halloween, for everyone out there who likes Halloween. I don't really celebrate it, but that's okay. I did really find this eye look to be super fun, creative, and that's why I wanted to do it. So, so this eye look is going to be kind of a blown out smoky eye look. So I'm just going in with the shade Flip Out into my crease, and I'm just working that . Alright, and then we are going to take more of a denser packing brush. This one right here. Sorry for this cut on my hand if that grosses anybody out. And then we're going to dive into the shade called Dark Side and just start packing that into the outer corner and then dragging that into the crease. And I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush into the Flip Out shade and kind of bring some of that on down, because this is, like I told you guys, a very blown out blended look. I've been living for these blown out eye looks. I don't know why. It's like all I do anymore, but you know, do what you love, right? Okay, so now we are just going to cut the crease. Okay, crease is cut. So now we are going to dive into, we're going to go into clutch. And just wet my brush and go into clutch here. And we're just going to place that all where we put the concealer. Okay, that shade was kind of weird. It was kind of patchy. I don't know. And then we are going to highlight our inner corner with the shade called Break Free. And I did go ahead and wet my brush. Now to the fun part of creating this bat wing eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with my Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner just to create the base wing, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to create the bat wing effect. Okay, so now we are on to the fun part. So I'm just going to be going in with my, I've got my Ciate London eyeliner here, and then my Curvatube Maybelline eyeliner here. I'm going to be using these to draw out the bat wings, just because the gel liner doesn't have that super precise fine tip, and I would not be able to draw it out. So basically, from the point of your wing out here, you're just going to start mimicking a bat's wings, like the little points on his wings is what our goal is. I do have a picture up here, that way you guys will be able to follow along with me. So that's how it's done, guys. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit difficult to figure out in the beginning because you're having to think opposite whenever you're drawing in the mirror. So guys, this is the final look. It didn't turn out like too bad, but like one bat wing looks a little bit thicker than the other bat wing. Anyways, it was fun filming this, and it was fun trying something really different. And if you guys have any other different ideas you'd like me to try, please comment down below in a video idea of something you'd like me to do. I'm more than happy to take some video suggestions. So guys, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.